Hey friends, welcome to my channel DIY UH Art and Craft. Today we are going to learn how to make beautiful foam flowers which are also very easy to make. For material requirements, kindly see the description below the video. Take a glitter foam sheet of your choice and draw a rectangle of length 16 cm and width 2.5 cm. Now cut the same with the help of a scissor. Take the rectangle and draw a vertical line leaving half a centimeter. Now draw horizontal lines at a distance of half a centimeter as shown. Cut these horizontal lines as shown. Take a straightening iron and heat the horizontal lines to shape the foam sheet. Shape the foam sheet as shown. Be careful while using the straightening iron as it's very hot. Heating the foam sheet gives an embossed look to the flower. Now take a silver glitter sheet and make a round cutout. Heat the round cutout with a straightening iron to get the embossed look. Now take a thermocol and apply glue and round the foam sheet around the thermocol. See how beautifully the flower is getting formed. These beautiful flowers can be made in different colors and sizes. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be updated with my latest tutorials.